PPT 14. First problem, what is the decimal fraction 1 5 by 8? To find a decimal fraction, we have to divide this 5 with 8. But we don't divide, simply keep zeros after decimal point to cancelize. So 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 48, here 5 6 are 48, 2 5 2 are 16, 5 once again children, 8 zeros are 0, 8 6 are 48, 2 remainder, 8 2s are 16, 4 remainder, 8 5s are 40, 8 1s are. So answer is 1.625. 1.625. Option 4. What is the sum of 13.3 plus 1.33 plus 1.0033 and 1.0333? Sum means addition, so we can add like this: 6 6 6 6 6 16.6666. So option 4. Next, what is the decimal equivalent of 39 by 1000? 39 by 1000. So to divide 1000, we shift the decimal to the left by 3 places. So 0.039. 0.039. So option is 0.039. Option 3. What is the sum of 11.1, 11.111, 11.11, 11.11, 11.111, 11.1111? So sum means addition. 1 2 3 4 4 4 44.4321. 44.4321. Option 3. Next, fifth one. What is the result of 163.44 divided by 24? 163.44 by 2.4. To divide a decimal by decimal, first we have to remove the decimal point in denominator. So here also one decimal place, 1634.4 by 24. 8 table or 2 table, or 2 table or 8 table, 4 table or 8 table. We can cancel with any one of the table. 8 table, 8 2s are 16, 8 0 0, 8 3s are 8 4s are 32, 2 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 3 1s are 3 6s are 18, 3 6s are 18, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. 68.1. 68.1. So option 2. Sixth problem. Note the decimal equivalent to 17 by 1000. To divide 1000, we shift the decimal to the left by 3 places. 0.017. 0.017. Option 2. Seventh problem. what is the total of means sum of 23.3, 2.33, 0.233, 0.0203. So sum, total means sum 3, 3, 6, 8, 8, 5, 2, 25.8833. Option 28.3388, option 4. Next, 8th problem. What will be the sum of the numbers 2.363, 2.363, 7.965, 0.0363 and 0.0079. So what is the sum? We have to add 12, 4, 9, 16, 20, 23, 8, 14, 17, 4, 13, 3, 10, 10.3732, 10.3732, 37, 10.4, 9, 16, 23. Two point 363, 7.965, 0.0363, 0.0079, 12, 4, 9, 15, 22. So 10.3722, 10.3722, option 3, 9. What is the decimal equivalent of 325 by 1000? 325 by 1000. To divide by 1000, shift the decimal to the left by 3 places. 0.325. That means 0.325. 0.325, option 1. Next, 10th problem. The product of two decimal number is 14.837, 14.837. Product is 14.837. If one of them is 4.01, 4.01, which is the other decimal number? By trial and error method we can find the answer. So here in product we have 3 decimal places, here 2 decimal places. So here we need 1 decimal place number. So that is 3.7 is correct option, correct answer, that is option 2. If we multiply with this, we can get this product with no doubt at all. So 11th, so children, this is 11th problem. 10th problem, observe carefully. 10th problem, what will come when 6.25 is divided by 0.25? To divide a decimal number, we make it a whole number. So that's why we are shifting 2 decimal places as well as in numerator also. 625 by 25, 25 ones are 25, 25 is are. So 25 is the answer. So correct option is 4. This is the 11th, this is the 10th. Next, 12th, the decimal equivalent to 61 by 10,000. So to divide by 10,000, we had 4 zeros. Shift the decimal to the left by 4 places. So 0.0061 means 0.0061. Option 4. 13th one. What is the place value of 5 in the number 214.56? So place value of this number, it is in this form. Tenths means 1 by 10. Tenths means 1 by 10. So place value of this number is 5 of 1 by 10. 5 of 1 by 10. So option is 3. 5 of 1 by 10 or 1 by 10 of 1 by 10 of 5. Both are the same. Option 3. 14. What is the sum of 20.08? 20.08. 20.008. 20.088. 20.888. 8 3s are 24. 10 8 3s are 24. 26. 26. 10. 1 1 2 3 4 4 to the 8. 81.064. 81.064. Option 1. 15th one. So this is not there here, picture not there, so that's why keep dash. Next 16th one. What is the decimal equivalent of 7 3 by 8? 7 3 by 8. Decimal equivalent. To find decimal equivalent, we have to divide this 3 with 8. To divide with 8, we keep 3 zeros beside the 3 by 8. 8 3s are 24. 8 0 0. Here 3. 8 3s are 24. 6. 8 7s are 56. 4. 8 5s are 40. 8 1s are. So that is equal to 7.375. 7.375 is the correct answer. 7.375 means option 3. Next 17th. What is the sum of 50.5, 50.05, 50.005, 50.0005? 5 5 5 5 0 4 5s are 20. 200.5555. 1 2 3 4. Once again, 50.5, 50.05, 50.005, 50.0005. 1 2 3 4. So here last one 5.0005. So here 5 5 3 5s are 15. 155.5555. 155.5555. Option 2. Next question number 18. When 110.88 is divided by 11, the quotient is 11 ones are 11 zeros are 11 zeros are 11 eights are 11 ones are 10.08. 10.08. Option 2. Next 19. The sum of 1.002, 1.02, 1.2, 12.0. 2. While adding decimal numbers, we no need of making like decimals. That means no need of keeping zeros. So 2, 2, 2, 5, 1. 15.222. 15.222. So option 1. Question number 20. The sum 1/2, 1/4, 1/8. We know 1/2 0.5, 1/4 0.25, 1/8 0.125. We know if we added this, we can get this answer 0.5, 0.25, 0.125. So 5, 7, 8, 0.875, 0.875, 0.875. Option 3. So children, this is PPT 14. Completed this PPT 14. Related problems, decimal fractions we have in PPT 34 also. Like these questions we have PPT 34 also. There are 11 questions. You try those 11 questions.